Hey everyone friends, on the Belor channel today I'll show you how to install Riot Vanguard for Valorant. To do this, go to the Start menu, go to Settings, then Apps, then Installed Apps, and here you need to uninstall Vanguard itself. To do this, type in Vanguard. Now click the three dots, click uninstall again, and click Yes. Here, click Yes. The uninstall process will begin. Right? For some reason it doesn't uninstall the first time, but it will the second time. After the process finishes, open Riot Games. Log into your account and select Valorant. And it'll immediately prompt you to install Vanguard. So we click Update Yes. And it will install Vanguard, after which you can restart your computer and play. Sample below. See you all later.